In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger using the website builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your site to a coming soon page, customize it, and publish those changes so visitors see a clean, professional maintenance screen instead of an unfinished website. First, start by opening the Hostinger website builder editor. Log into your Hostinger account, go to your website, and enter the builder. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your site preview in the main area with editing options and tools around it. This is where you'll make all the changes. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left sidebar, find and click on the option called Pages and Navigation. This is the section that controls all the pages on your website, as well as how visitors move between them. Clicking this will open a panel that lists every page currently part of your site. Within this Pages and Navigation panel, you'll either see a tab labeled Coming Soon, or you can scroll through your list of pages to find it. Different templates may show it slightly differently, but you're looking for the page named Coming Soon. Once you locate it, click on it so you can access its settings and content. Now you'll see an option to enable Coming Soon mode. There should be a simple toggle switch associated with this Coming Soon page. Turn that switch on to enable Coming Soon mode. When this is enabled, visitors will see this page instead of your regular homepage. This is effectively your maintenance mode. It hides your work in progress site behind a single clear page that tells people the site is not fully available yet. With Coming Soon mode turned on, it's a good idea to customize the page so it matches your brand and gives visitors useful information. Just like any other page in the website builder, you can click directly on the text to edit it. You might want to add a short message saying your site is under maintenance or that something new is coming soon. You can also add a countdown timer if you know when you plan to launch or relaunch the site. This gives visitors a sense of expectation and can make the downtime feel more intentional and professional. Simply drag in a countdown element if your template supports it and set the date and time. Don't forget the visuals. You can change the background image to something that matches your brand or the theme of your upcoming website. A clean, simple image often works best, so the message on the page remains easy to read. You can also adjust fonts, colors, and layout so the page looks consistent with your overall style, even while the rest of the site is offline. Once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, it's time to make the maintenance screen live. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Update Website button. This publishes all the changes you've made. After this, anyone who visits your domain will see the Coming Soon maintenance page instead of your normal website. That's all you need to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger. Open the website builder editor, go to Pages and Navigation, find the Coming Soon page, toggle it on, customize it, and then click Update Website to push it live.